Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. So as you can see, I'm here on my GoDaddy domain portfolio. So you're going to click these settings and you're going to click domains. And now I'm just going to copy the domain name to have it because I will need it in Hostinger. Now in Hostinger, you're going to click hosting right here, and here on your web hosting, you're going to click those three dots and click add website. Now let's skip this question. Let's create. And what tool do you want to use? For now, I'm just going to skip it. And now I'm just going to paste this website. So you're going to choose your website. You're going to click next. And let's confirm the ownership of this website. You're going to wait a little bit for it to load up. And after that, as you can see, it's right here already. Now your domain is not connected to Hostinger, so let's connect it and let's activate this from GoDaddy. Now, as you can see, you need to change the name servers on your GoDaddy. Now you're gonna go to GoDaddy. You're gonna click on your website. When you're here, you're gonna see the DNS settings. You're gonna click on those. As you can see, there are name servers right here. You're going to click on those, and here are your name servers. And here you can click change name servers, so you want to do that. Now you're going to go back here and you need to change those servers to the Hostinger. So I will use my own, and you're going to copy these ones and you're going to put on your GoDaddy account. Put them right here. You're going to click save. After this, you want to click continue. Now, when you have done that, you're going to click continue and you're going to finish. And that's basically it. Now, when you have finished connecting your website, when you click websites right here, you can see that the website we just connected is already connected to this hosting. So here you can manage it, you can change it to Hostinger Builder and build the website here and so on. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.